you can easily say that TLPH got this already. That's how I look at this game. At katulad ng sinabi ko kanina, mas okay naman ang game na to para sa Balmond Angela ng Onyx Philippines dahil walang Esmeralda.
That's true. So,
sa lahat ng Balmond games na nakita natin today failed, will this be different?
Oo, no?
Pati yung kay MP, di ba?
Oo, tama.
Tama.
Hindi, tama. Pero double check natin mamaya yun for sure, Brusco. Grabe namang palitan yan, bossing. Gamit ka ng Revitalize. Sanji, Anli angat Okay. He literally ran out of MP just spamming it. And I love what I'm seeing here. King Kong obviously kailangan ma-check ni JP. It's not an assassin, so hindi din basta-bastang pwede i-dive. Pero he can do some damage, he can get information para lang to relay para kay Carl. Para sabihin kay Carl, uy, yung pat mo, paket
Okay, so nanalo pala sila MP nung nag-Balmond sila at least. No Angela nung time na yun. So,
Leomord lang yung natalo kay MP.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay.
So panalo naman so far.
Not bad. But I don't remember that sounding like an easy game. I don't think that was an easy game. Pero yeah, we're going here. TLPH, good control pa rin naman sa early, which is expected natin. I'll be real. I kind of expect na TLPH ang lalamang dito sa early, considering may Hilda sila and Sanji feels so aggressive in Sushin.
Yep. It was the same path para sa Onyx Philippines nung unang nagtapat sila dito. What actually literal na Esmeralda factor lang naman yung na-eliminate dito. At malaking bagay na agad yan. I have a feeling that this will be different. Si Kirk, dahil dun yung lapu-lapu ni Kirk ay nakakapasok dun sa laban natin na mas maaga kumpara dun sa previous game wherein na-poke agad siya ng isang Esmeralda, napalo agad siya. Sanford to isolation.
Really good engagement coming in with the Angela hardcard. Nakatulong naman ng malala para sa Onyx. Pero hindi pa tapos ang TLPH. Lalaban pa rin naman. Naghahanap ng pwedeng targetin dito si Chessman. Binibigyan, napupuruan ni Brusco. And he is absorbing a lot of hits. Pero wala pa siyang AOG. Will not be able to dodge out. And will not be able to escape. That's another kill going over to TLPH. And it's a little bit of a reset para dun sa Lord.
I don't know what they're seeing with the Balmond. Nakita mo naman kung gano'n siya kabilis na eliminate agad Chessman and the gang.
Yes, sir.
Ang kanilang ginawa dito is hard commit on that Balmond. Ibuhos lahat, even the kitchen sink. You know what the Chessman is doing right now? After niyang mapersa ni Brusco, hindi niya na pinilit yung kill. Actually went out and then focused on farming. So magkakaroon siya dito ng napakalaking advantage when it comes to the XP. He's level 6 as of this moment. King Kong is just 4. Baka nga hindi, magpa-5 ba siya? That's the question. Baka mag-5 siya dito. Ayan nga. Kaso, ang tagal bago siya makabalik dito. At lamang na si Chessman ng gold.
Malaki na. And again, you don't want that to happen if you are basically fighting an uphill battle. Chessman, hindi man makakatulong. Nasa likod! And he's getting hunted down! And that's gonna be Kelra taking down Carl Tizzy. And Turtle going over to Onyx.
Break glass in case of emergency. Yan si Kelra. Yan ang nasa loob nung glass na yon na tinawag with this expanding rivers. Onyx Philippines ang kanilang main character sa ngayon, which is the Harith. Because we were talking about King Kong in this Balmond so much, and it's only because we generally don't like seeing King Kong sa isang Balmond. Pero ang tunay na bida naman talaga para sa composition ng Onyx Philippines eventually is going to be the Harith. Siya talaga yung main DPS dito. Siya yung centerpiece. However, Team Liquid, all they need to do, get DIs, get glowing, get magic defense, maybe Radiant plus Athena, or may Radiant plus Oracle. Dome Ice actually works already in that regard. So, malaking bagay agad yun para sa kanila. So, I'll not be surprised if they can easily i-itemize lang itong composition ng Onyx.
Well, idadaan nila sa itemization, especially since race against time to di ba? Kasi yung,
yes, that's right.
Yung Hayabusa din kasi ni RTZ, pag yan naunang nagka-item, dire-diretso din yun.
Yeah.
And maganda yung ginagawa nila, nakokontrol nila kahit papano, pero the race is still, parang na-pause lang. So, hindi pa tapos.
Yeah. Definitely. Hayabusa first pick. Ito yung draft battle na gusto mo. Parang nagkakaroon talaga ng meta sa isang series. And despite only getting the first 2 wins of this series, hindi nababasag ang moral, ang resolve ng Team Liquid PH. Nakakuha sila ng one-sided na victory sa game number 3. Etong game number 4 natin, although wala pang outright na nakakalamang, it had to take so much mula sa Onyx Philippines para lang ma-equalize yung game na to.
True.
And even then, etong si Chessman nakakalamang na level 8 compared to King Kong, nakaka-level 8 pa lang. Fortunately, para sa Onyx, wala nang makuha pang mga minions or creeps. Etong si Chessman, if may nag-respond doon, so baka
ang linis
ng level 9 eventually.
Ang linis pala nung mapa, no?
Linis nga ng mapa.
Ubus lahat ng minions tsaka creeps.
Ayan, level 9 na nga
Ayan na.
etong si Chessman.
Okay.
As we said, which gives him level advantage.
Big level advantage para dito sa ating susunod na turtle. And yung pagong na to is, I would say, a little bit crucial kasi this will probably create yung differential between our 2 junglers, especially in the level. So, possibly big engagement na manggagaling dito from Onyx, or sorry, from TL rather. Inaantay na lang si Sanford, naghahanap ng magandang set, minamatahan, at naghahanap ng target. Hopefully, Kelra para sa kanya, pero I think anyone would do. Yun na nga, nasa gitna na nga, and King Kong, ang makakuskewer nung turtle na yon. Ang ganda ng laban dito, hard guard ay nagamit na din.
Kiel1.
And looks like hinahabol ngayon si Kiel1 doon sa likod. And si Sanford ang naiwan sa gitna. Chessman nadali ni Brusco with the AOG. And the teamwork is real. For Onyx, sinayawan din yung mga Torre. 2 kills in a turtle, plus makakuha pa yata sila ng turret.
Hindi sinukuha ni Brusco yung kill doon kay Chessman. Nakuha ng Onyx yung second turtle. And ang importante, dito nakuha din nila yung Torre and the purple buff. What a great recovery from Onyx Philippines. King Kong has to pop the retribution to get out. Wise decision para makatakas doon. At syempre may healing din mula kay Super Prince. In a snap, 2K ang nalimas ng Onyx Philippines. Credits to Kelra being so solid in that match. At kahit pa ako kontrain na siya ng Team Liquid doon, nakakuha pa rin siya ng escape route. Mayroon pang natira yata na dash doon para makaalis siya. And then, Onyx Philippines, for some reason, na-damage sila doon si Chessman. Yung kasi thing dito sa Onyx Philippines with their comp, yung kay Kirk, pati na rin itong kay King Kong, iba tong mo lang yung spells mo, AOE yan. At masakit ang damage nila. And to think about it, if you think about it, etong si Super Prince, ang kailangan niya gawin talaga is timing ng kanyang ult. As case in nawanan, hindi ko nakita. Pero napuwersa ang retry ni Chessman. King Kong naman makakuha dito. Grabe, no? Lethal counter spam mula kay King Kong kahit sa creeps. At slowly and surely nakakuha ng lamang dito yung Onyx Philippines. It's just one clash.
Yeah. Kailangan din kasi niya yun in order to speed up yung jungling nga, di ba? Kailangan mo talagang gamitin yung lethal counter kasi some people, especially yung mga players natin, sometimes would reserve it just for a kill. Pero you also need it to actually speed up your wave clear and your minion wave management.
Yeah.
So, yeah, 100% I think nakahabol na si King Kong in terms of itemization. Yung 3k gold lead, hindi naman malaki pero lalaban pa rin naman yung TLPH to for sure. And 5-man sila ngayon. They're a 5-man group. Kukunin yung mid lane wave and they could hold this. Pero si Kirk, sabi niya pwede yata mag-go time dito, getting ready to go for a fight. King Kong secures that turtle and hindi na nakalapit yung TLPH doon.
Yung 4 bars, 3 bars pa yung natitira din sa turtle. Oh, Kirk! With the jump! Sanji has to flicker out. And madaming ultimates sa mid doon ng Onyx Philippines as well as battle spells. That's also the same para sa Team Liquid. What an explosive fight that ended up without anyone dying.
And despite Kirk, syempre muntikan pa, nakaisa pa ng bravest fighter into the flicker, walang kakababa. Si Sanji, kailangan lang niyang gumamit ng Crimson Beacon, Lantern Flare, he was fine. Brusco naghahabol dun kay Kelra. Sabi nila, you know what, kay Kiel1 rather? You know what, sabi nila, bakit parang hindi natin dapat si Kiel1? Habulin nga natin to. They're doing that right now. Heart card na gamit na kay Brusco. And si Super Prince, very impressive on this Angela. Parang on point lagi yung heart card niya.
Yeah. Ilan na lang ba ang cooldown ngayon ng kanyang heart guard? If we can see the items, we can see yung CDR niya dito. At pag naka-maximum kasi around 14 seconds. Yung mga
14, 15.
grabe. So,
Ang base niya is 20 something di ba?
that's right,
So,
20.
Oo.
Glowing
So-
wand ang para kay Super Prince.
Grabe naman. Gusto
This
mo
is not
ipag-1v1
hindi siya basta-bastang support lang
Oo.
dito.
And it's gonna help with anti-spell vamp for sure. So tingnan natin if that's gonna come to factor in the team fight here. King Kong getting a little bit more riskier yung mga galaw niya. Parang nagkakaroon siya ng confidence na mas dumikit sa isang Arlot, mas dumikit sa isang Hilda.
Yeah. Are we starting to be believers dito sa Balmond? Madadagdagan ba ang hero pool
Naku.
ni Sir Wolf mamaya? May Fred rin na, may Yura na, may Balmond pa bang madadagdag? But I think may mga key components dito, which is in this case yung Angela, laking bagay dito sa
Oo.
lineup na to. Tingin ko kailangan siyang buuin with that kind of mentality. Ang crucial dito din yung paggamit ng dash ni King Kong kasi yun yung ano eh. Isa lang yung dash niya eh. So he has to
Yeah.
make it count.
Actually, minsan pinagmamadali lang natin yun, no? Pero you have to really reserve it, especially sa later parts of the game. If you want to reposition against the Hayabusa, na mas matindi ang mobility kesa sa'yo, that's something that you have to watch out. Pero ngayon, they're trying to juggle, they're trying to hold on dito sa ating Lord. JP nasa likod, trying to go for an entry, pero madedeny din siya. And for the meantime, nagdidikit-dikit na lang yung Onyx. They don't seem to want to give any entry para kay JP. Yung sa likod.
Kailangan respetuhan ng Onyx Philippines yung expanding reverse dito sa moment na to. Mabilis makares po ang Team Liquid. So kahit may mga prompts sila na nagpapakita, they have to still be careful. Pero I really feel like Onyx Philippines wants to turn on heroes. Hindi muna sila maglo-lord dito unless makita nila si Chessman, which in this case, Brusco scout him out.
Yeah, binibake nila eh. And I think with the full vision, they want to go turbo. Kellera securing that Lord. And now, ito na yung fight na gusto ka kanina pa ng Onyx Philippines na iwan si Brusco doon sa likod to. Nag-AOG into that means there's no out
Kunat.
para kay Brusco, but he's gonna still stay alive at least for the few moments. And Super Friends, hindi na din makagamit ng Heart Guard. That means Brusco will gonna go down. Pero wala nang trade na makuha yung Onyx Philippines doon. They will get the Lord though, which they wanted in the first place. Pero may punch back yung TLPH.
Nagigil yung Onyx Philippines with the jump, especially kay Brusco. Ang problema kasi doon, merong wall na nagse-separate sa kanya from his teammates. So they're just happy to commit that. In fact, Onyx Philippines, hindi na rin nag-hard commit. Hindi sila na gumamit ako nila mga battle spells for that. The fact that they took that Lord with ease, doon na okay na sila sa mga ganung moments. So they have to keep their grip dito sa game na to. And overextensions aren't welcome. Kellera, okay. Hindi makakapag-push ba ang Onyx? Yeah, the defense from Team Liquid is way too solid. Oh,
That's
Chessman.
really solid. Sumalaban pa actually. Gusto pang ilaban, Kirk. Will able to use the flicker to get out of harm's way. Pero, again, doesn't have the
AOG.
engage tools anymore. AOG para kay Brusco. Tatlo yata na unbreakable niya doon. And nagkaroon na ng sayawan at walisan, mga kaibigan. 2 down for Team Liquid Philippines. Brusco's down, pero I think expected na yun. Kellera, so potent. Especially with the hard guard. May kahati pa yata kung sakali. Pero wala pa namang shadow kill si Chessman. They're gonna go with the wave. Hindi sila titigil. Walang pahingahan dito for Onyx Philippines. Sabi nila, down dalawa. Ilaban natin 3v5 to. And they are actually staying on top. Sanji getting taken out by Kellera. Nadali ng empowered normal attack.
Kellera's Harith. Ibang klaseng command ng hero na to. Pinapakita sa atin ni Kellera. Si Chessman kanina pa sobrang kulit na gumagawa na ng lahat para lang depensaan yung kanilang base. And in fact, Chessman is actually forcing Onyx Philippines to commit. However, Onyx Philippines are smart. Hindi sila nag-over-commit doon. Hindi sila nag-iwa-hiwalay. Even si Kellera, very calculated yung kanyang movements with the Zaman Force as well as the Chrono Dash. Dumating nila sa point na etong si King Kong ay hindi na ganun kadaling patumbahin. With or without yung help nitong si Super Friends and Kirk surviving, managing yung kanyang flicker dun sa mga moments was also crucial. Yun nga lang, Team Liquid Philippines will be able to defend yung kanilang base. Isa lang yung kanilang Toring mawawala, the inhibitor up top. So, all things considered, parang hindi naman ganun ka-disastrous yung push ng Onyx Philippines. Magmamatter pa rin dito, Rockhart. Magmamatter pa rin dito, Rockhart. Ang Lord Dance. Masasabi natin dito. And expect Onyx Philippines to prioritize third. Isa sa mga saving grace para sa Team Liquid dito, short lane ay top. Yung Lord lane na yun yung inhibitor na nawalan sila. So mas madali pang ma-manage tong lanes na to.
Yeah, medyo madali pa to for TLPH. They don't have to worry about their base too much. But at the same time, sabi ng Onyx, madaliin na natin habang kita pa naman sa Vision si Kelra doon sa wave. They are gonna go straight for the base, straight for the Lord rather. And si Chessman, hinahanap na ngayon on that side. Shadow Kill already used up. And the consistent DPS, walis mula kay Sanford na gamit na. Can go with the Lord Secure, pero it looks like lalaban pa. JP is gonna be locked and loaded. Natali na nung Angela. Naghahanap si Sanji. And looks like the stun is gonna be real here. Sanford sinayawan yung bravest fighter, pero hindi na magiging sapat. Kiel1, the Baby Cakes duo na lang natira. Now natanggal pa si Kiel1. Looks like patapos na tayo, Wolf. This is gonna be an almost impossible defense. 1v5 para kay Carl TZ. And he is gonna get eliminated in a snap. The champ for this one is Onyx Philippines. 3-1.